Alright, welcome to the main event of our 4-game headliner opening day of our Interlodge Freemason Basketball League, sponsored by the So-Called Ballers League, led by our commissioner, Brother Derek Valdez. For more inquiries for the So-Called Ballers League, contact Brother Derek Valdez. And of course, I'm your host, MC, the one and only Ludwig Van, the Magic Man. You know who I am. And I'll be calling the play-by-play and analysis for today's game. Tonight's matchup, or today's matchup, is Torrance versus Team Angelina. As the game is officially underway, Torrance wearing the white collar, while Team Angelina, they are wearing different colors today. White Torrance. Can I have your last name, Kawai Leonard? Okay, number 2. Kawai Leonard. Yeah. Game officially underway. Malones, they swing it around. Team Angelina, they still don't have their uniform, but probably next week. Bote, and the defense controlled by Ama. Well, that was a good defensive play there by Ama, as they give that ball on the corner to Bergoglio, Joseph Bergoglio, Bacani, the Bacani brothers on the attack. Stolen away by Tan. They give it to Gado. Gado short. Rebound taken away by Malones. Malones looking for his options between the legs, challenging the defenders. Bote from the baseline, one-hander from Bacani. Using that headband out. It works now for Bacani. It's underneath the basket for Bacani. Tan manning the point guard duties. They swing around to Manslam, Brother Manslam, 2K23. That's what it says on his uniform. And ball will go to the other side. Team Angelina. Bacani and Malones has been their leader so far. He's been setting up the plays for his team. Thought about it. They swing it around to from the corner, Bergoglio. Malones at the middle. They swing the ball around. Bacani will challenge the score defender with the spin move, and that will be offensive foul as he stretched his arms. Substitution. Substitution, Fronda and Bagao in the ball game. Match stab 2K23. Setting up the play, half court set. They give it back to Tan. Tan from long distance. Bacani inhales the rebound. Malones. Pre-season opening, Malones. His teammates are not yet there. Behind the back pass. Manslam. Brother Manslam. Almost losing that ball. However, he was able to recover. Bergoglio. And a shooter's mechanics helping each other in that play. Pan will facilitate the play here for his squad. To the left side, to Bergoño. Bergoño being hounded by the defenders. Ronda taking away the ball. 3-on-1 situation. Bacani. The Bacani connection. However, Bergoño able to get that leather. Ooh, body to body. Physical play down there by Bagao and Max Lam. Physicality, but it's all part of the ball game. Physical but not dirty. So that is basketball for you out there. Malones looking at a jumper again. He stretched his arm with that left hand. Timeout for Team Angelina. Brother with the shirt, brother with the black shirt. What's your name? Brother, what's your name again? Bugarin. So let's go to Bugarin. Bugarin. Our score right now is 3-2 in favor of Torrance. Torrance up by 1, 3-2. Back to the action. Team Torrance just up by a single point. Matslam bursting with quickness. However, he commits that turnover. Well, as you can see, there was some miscommunication on that play between Matslam and Bergoño. Fronda is swinging to Bacani. Bacani high in the sky play, alley-oop. And he will be rewarded with 2 free throws. And the Bacani connection has been their bread and butter so far. Two shots for Bacani, a chance for them to grab the driver's seat. And Bacani makes the first basket. Stuck a 3. Fresh legs for Team Torrance as Ellis, Chua, and Kadumo. Tom Twist, Kadumo. We need to practice that. Ellis. Yes. So now it's Team Torrance up by 1. Ellis will be their point guard for this moment. Chua attempting to make that 3-point shot. And ball will remain with Torrance. Well, the defense of Bacani making it difficult for Chua to make that shot. Ellis at the middle. Ellis thought about it. Makes it closer. Ellis throws it. Battle for the loose ball. Bacani ahead of the back. Bacani dives with that ball. And it will be a turnover. Well, he slipped right there. Unable to control the ball. Ellis. This guy is a quick point guard. And he has that speed. Chua trying his luck on the 3-point range. Rebound. Clobbered by number 23. I don't have his name yet. Bacani. Bacani in and out. Ellis on the run. Ellis waits for his teammates using the screen of Kadumo. They tip it. Kadumo. Making the jumper. Kadumo. Getting that lead back 1 point. Kadumo 5-4. Bagao controlling that ball. 12 minutes and 44 remaining in the first half. Ellis, fast break opportunity, and he loses the handle for Ellis. Substitution. Barumao and the ball game and Kenneth. Barumao and Bugarin back in the ball game for Team Angelina. They go at the middle, attacking, but Katubo was there to stop the play. Team Torrance, a chance for them to increase the lead 5-4 in favor of Team Torrance. Now this is the main event of our fourth game. Headliner for this free inter-lodge free Mason basketball league by SoCal. A missed shot by Chua. Bugarin with the rebound. Baruma sees no opening. Back to Bugarin. Bugarin to number 23. Bakani. What's the name of number 23? He has I don't have his name. Brother, maybe number 23. Clippers number 23. Dapusin, number 23. Dapusin. On the free throw line is Bakani, trying to tie the ball game up. Substitution. Again, remember this is a running time. 10 minutes and 36 seconds remaining as we speak. Bakani, no basket. So there's some lane violation. No basket, according to the referee. So our score remains at 5-4 in favor of Torrance. Ellis with the handle. Ellis against a zone defense. He throws that shot, Avellana, all board, nothing for him. Here comes Dapusin. He lets it fly short for Baruma, or rather that is no one there to catch that ball. Miscommunication on that play. Malones in the ball game for Bakani. So timeout will be called here for Team Angelina. We'll be right back after this timeout with 9 minutes and 39 in the first half. You gotta deposit their jewel. Back to the action. Timeout, technical timeout first. You need to deposit those jewels that are. Okay, back to the action. Our score is still 5-4 in favor of Torrance. You are watching the Inter-Lodge Freemason Basketball League. Bugarin at the corner to Malones. Malones looking at the post. Baseline throw in. The defense here being evident for both teams. Bugarin. Here comes Sanchez, but he's bothered here by Malones, who controlled that leather. Malones against Chua, almost losing the handle. Barulao using the screen from Bugarin. Barulao again using the forward, backing it in. now, Team Angelina has the lead, 6-5. With 8 minutes remaining in the first half. Ellis slowing things down, trying to set up that play. Sanchez, they give it at the post, squeezing himself inside. That's Pan, number 15. Or rather, that's Gado. Sorry, Gado. From the corner, Chua, short. Battle for the loose ball. And he was able to take that leather. Dapusin. Half court set to Kenneth. Kenneth. Malones lets it fly. This time, no good. Sanchez. Transition. Speeds up. Sanchez. Everything but the shot. Kenneth. To Barumao. Barumao. Suffocating defense by Chua. And Gado able to stop that play. Crossover. Sanchez. Sees an opening. And he capitalizes for Sanchez. Despite the defense challenging him. But that was a no-fear shot by Sanchez, getting the lead 7-6. Malones down to Dapusin. Dapusin. Kenneth pulls the trigger. This time offline. Ellis on the run. Ellis taking matters into his own hands. Ellis at the corner. Ellis shoots it, and Ellis will not be denied. And the crowd loving it as Ellis extends the lead to 4, 10-6. With 6 minutes and 25 remaining, Dapusin one-on-one against Sanchez, using the screen from Bugarin. Kenneth on the post decides to quickly take that shot. Barumao was there to cut the play. Malones pumping it in air. Unable to buy a basket. Fades away. But there goes Avellana to save the day. Sanchez to Ellis. Ellis was able to make a 3-point basket a while ago. This time, he checked for him. Sanchez. Timeout. Timeout, Team Angelina, as Torrance is in an uproar, 12-6 with 5 minutes and 47. Team Torrance on the run. We'll be right back after this timeout. No more timeouts for Team Angelina. No more timeouts for Team Angelina, according to our officials. So our officials, our committee, Achilles and Stacy, right? Did I get it correct? Stacy and Achilles are our committee.
Oh, yeah, babe.
Back to the action. 5 minutes and 47 remaining. 12-6 is our score. Team Torrance on an uproar, led by Ellis. With his and Sanchez on the backcourt. Bakani, they quickly answer the call after the timeout. Well, that was after the timeout. That was a good execution there. Wake-up call for Team Angelina as they just cut the lead down to 4, 12-8. Bergoño. The defense starting to be tight here as they're applying some pressure. Bakani able to stop the play. Here comes Dapusin, Barumao, crossover, able to deflect the defender. This time, it will go to the other side. Team Torrance, able to take advantage on that possession, but that could have been just down to 2 points for Team Torrance, but they were able to cut it down. From the corner, Chua. Or that's that, that's that, from the corner. Sanchez again, Sanchez! with a quick shot, catch and shoot for Sanchez. Well, Sanchez and Ellis has been the difference maker here for Team Torrance. Now they have been coming out alive here.
Let's go, Leonard!
Team Angelina has no answers for them. However, that is from Fronda gunning that three-point barrage. 14-11. Both teams wanting to get their first win here. By the way, our standings, San Diego with 2 wins today, and Team AWC with 1 win. So who will be the next? Dan, they swing it around. Back to Gado. Gado turns around short this time. But I think that was a little bit of rush there for Gado. He could have taken it closer, but he decides to just take the shot. Let's see, Maroon now, a chance for them to make it a one-possession ball game.
Shoot it, shoot it!
Lacusin, season opening, too strong on that attempt. Tan on the move, Tan attacking, but he sees Sanchez with the assist almost, tapping it away. Marumao able to control the letter. He's being hounded here by the defense. 2-on-1 situation. Bacani floating in the air. Makes the basket. Now it's just a 1-point lead being enjoyed by Torrance. 14-13 with under 3 minutes left. Well, as you can see there, Bacani for Team Angelina and Sanchez on Team Torrance has been the marquee matchup for today's ball game. And ball will go to the other side. A chance for Team Angelina to grab the lead as they're down by 1. Stolen away by Sanchez. Sanchez! Oh, everything to the playbook. Slips out of his hands. Bacani. Again to another Bacani. The Bacani duo creating some damage down there. Timeout, Team Torrance, as Bacani leading the way for Team Angelina's. They're up by 1, 15-14 with 2 minutes and 22 left in this ball game. Tail of the tape for this ball game. Team Torrance a while ago, they were up by 4, 12-8, led by Ellis and Sanchez. However, Team Angelina, behind the heroic performance of Bacani, has been able to capitalize for this game. And of course, Fronda lighting up the 3-point shot was the catalyst for that run. Sanchez at the middle. Kadumo. They swing the ball around, looking for their shot. The defense hands up for Lacusin from the corner. Tan misses. Battle for the rebound. Mad slam. And Sanchez again. He has been the leading scorer for Team Torrance. He has just been, how many points is this Sanchez now? Fronda again, traveling. 8 points already for Sanchez. Wala. It's a traveling call. Sanchez. Again, no one to bother him. Rebound inhaled. Kadumo against 3 defenders, bounce pass. But Bacani with the defensive stop and foul will be called by Matt Slam. And in the spirit of sportsmanship, he will be up there. The slippery part of the area. So free throws will be given to Bacani. Oh, that would be a flagrant foul. Is it a flagrant foul, ref? It was a flagrant foul. New rule, flagrant one. So, Matt Slam. Physicality. was just the physicality of the play. The intensity. It's all part of the ball game, of course, in the spirit of brotherhood. Bacani. Okay. 2 free throws every intentional foul. Possession with 12 seconds remaining. It's running time. Remember, it's running time. 7 seconds remaining. They need to take the shot. It's running time. 2 seconds. And that's the end of the first half. Not counted as Team Angelina behind the Bacani duo is now up by 17-16. But this is still anybody's ball game. Angelina team led by Bacani. So intentional foul. So there's a difference between intentional and a flagrant foul.